It is the TLV320DAC3100. It is an I2S digital amplifier for headphones in particular, stereo headphones, as well as a little mono speaker output there. So this is digital audio coming off your microcontroller, Feather RP2040 plugged in, power ground, I2C and I2S all going to those bottom pins on the TLV320. And then I have a set of headphones plugged in, which I am miking using a little amplifier mic there. And then I have a little push button to play a sample sound. TLV320DAC3100 I2S headphone and speaker amplifier and breakout? Sure.